Hi, welcome back for a second video on how I read faster, better, and how I memorize the data in a more efficient manner. So here we're talking about ethics and social responsibility for chapter 3. So the first thing you see when you look at my page, except the blue bold title, is the orange exclamation mark, which is right next to the words workplace deviance, production deviance, personal aggressions, words that you um, put next to a negative emphasis when you think of them. So this is what I wanted to do. Remember that this is not an ethical behavior to have in the workplace, and that these are examples of this. So I wrote the legislations that follow the fact that these are not ethical and one should not act this way. So here I have a colorful graph which shows that these are the three influence that a manager uses in making ethical decisions. So it's not 1, 2, 3. This is why I did not label that way. It's more of a process. So we can see the arrows right here. Then you have a list of actions in order to improve a manager's ethical decision making. So you can see that there are a lot of them, such as having a code of ethics, encouraging whistleblowers, and fair punishments of violators of the rules. So this is important things to memorize, and I memorize a lot of things when they're put into list and not into big blocks chunk of text. So this is one action I've done to memorize the text better. Then we can see for who to make the company better. So we have two options. We have the shareholder model or the stakeholder model. The shareholder model is really putting emphasis on the shareholders, so maximizing profits, while the stakeholder model is putting emphasis on long-term survival, and by that is done by achieving satisfying the interests of many persons. So you can see you can link that with the following: so economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, and discretionary responsibility. So taking all of that in mind, you can wonder, well, if you're all that way responsible, that is going to cost a lot of money and have an economic um, impact on your company and even on the environment. So this is why here I've put the money image and the image of a factory that is not really environmentally friendly. So, and I've made a personal comment that when I see it, like when I see names such as Nike or Canada Goose, I already think of companies that are, yes, improving daily on this matter, but have failed in the past to respect social responsibility, and that has came at a great cost. So this is how I memorized chapter 3.